Good day everybody. Today we're looking at Worth insulation tape. It's accolade soft PVC foil. It is 19mm wide. There's 20m on the roll and it's 0.15mm in thickness. It's got excellent adhesion abilities, flame retardant, excellent dielectric properties, and tear resistant and resistant to aging. To show you, I've got a demo prep here to show you the elasticity of the Worth insulation tape. As you can see, it stretches, and then when I take it back to its original length, it does not lose its shape or form. So if you just want to insulate one piece of wire, it's very easy, and turn it around the wire, and there one piece of wire has been insulated. So if you want to insulate or just keep a lot of wires together, again, within a harness, there's different colors as well, so check out our website for the other colors available.